Hi, my name is Lucia Zeimet, and this is the product I designed for the Animal Vegetable Object Project. This is the end of my journey through the AVO project. I decided to name my product Coda di Lantra, or the otter tail. My journey started with my image board exploring the fluidity of otters. When creating this board, I wanted to really focus on the different ways their bodies could move through the water. My next step was to sign up for the vegetable, and I chose based on what I knew was already in the fridge, and my choices of veggies was very limited. It came down to asparagus or frozen peas. I started my series of models for the otter very literal, trying my hardest to capture the organic flow of the forms that I saw in my original images, while at the same time trying to find a way to make asparagus abstract. Eventually, after some trial and error, I moved on to more abstract forms for both the otter and the asparagus that really helped me develop my final form. I started off my final model ideas with wanting to integrate yarn, and knowing that certain yarns can be heavy, I knew I needed to create an inner support structure, which brought me to the idea of using wire. My next step was to see how my original pink foam idea would translate to wood using the limited tools I had with me, which led me to a more refined version of my original idea. When coming up with the final idea, I decided to move away from the idea of a single light on a tiny piece of wood to additional lighted tails on a longer piece that could create the illusion of fluidity from the original otter tail research I had done. In the end, this is what I produced, both with and without light. Thank you for watching. I am now open for comments and questions.